Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kling AI app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So whichever Samsung Galaxy phone you have, you could have the S24, S23, whatever, A55, whatever it might be. If you want to have the Kling AI app on your phone, all you have to do, on the left hand side you'll find Kling AI app. You click on that, you open up your camera, and once you hover over this barcode here, guys, you will see that it shows you that it detects, and it will say something like QRCO, that app. You click on that and it's going to open up your browser. On your Samsung phone, you will see it opens up your browser and it will say file might be harmful, but that's totally fine. What it's going to do, it's because it's not the normal way how to install an app. It's going to pop up and allow you to download the APK file. It's simple. Wants to ensure that you confirm this and that you're not automatically download anything on your phone. So it's just for security purpose and to be safe. But if you trust it, which this is a safe app anyways, you can simply click to download that APK file to your phone, and then you can install APK, and then you will have the Kling AI on your phone. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. I want to also recommend to you that this is the official way to download the app on your phone. Don't check the Google Play Store because you'll not be able to find it there. It's only an APK, and that's why you have to download and install the Kling AI just like this. But it's very easy, guys. Very easy and very simple. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you want the app on your phone, this is the best way to do it. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.